This is the Body-Solid GLPH1100. Body-Solid claims this is the only machine you need to build massive legs without the spinal compression of a traditional barbell squat. But here's the thing. Gym equipment usually falls into two categories: flimsy, home-grade stuff or overpriced commercial gear that costs as much as a used Honda. After living with this beast in my garage for a month, I've found that while it looks like a tank, there are a few things about the assembly and the footprint that they definitely don't mention in the glossy brochures. Let's get into it. Body-Solid Leg Press Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the leg press and hack squat combination machine from Body-Solid. It's been a staple in the home gym community for years because it's a two-in-one. It's aimed squarely at the serious lifter, the person who wants a commercial-grade leg day experience but doesn't have the room or the bank account for two separate massive machines. It uses a quad-track roller system and is rated for a massive 1,000-pound capacity. Whether you're a bodybuilder looking for hypertrophy or an athlete staying away from heavy spinal loading, this is designed to be the centerpiece of your lower body training. Body-Solid Leg Press Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform under load? I've used this for everything from high-rep burnout sets to heavy triples, and I was really impressed with the smoothness. Usually with home gear, you feel a stutter as the carriage moves. Not here. Thanks to the industrial-grade linear bearings, the weight moves in a way that feels incredibly consistent. Is it actually worth your hard-earned cash for the feel alone? In a word, yes. When you're at the bottom of a deep hack squat, you don't want to be worrying about the frame flexing or the safety catches failing. This thing feels planted. The transition between the leg press and the hack squat takes maybe 30 seconds. You just flip the foot plate and move the back pad. It's seamless enough that I actually found myself doing supersets between the two movements, which is a total quad killer. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that actually matter in real life. First up is the adjustable foot plate. It has a huge surface area, which is a game changer because it allows you to change your foot position, high, low, wide, or narrow, to target different parts of your quads or glutes. Then there's the DuraFirm padding. This isn't that cheap foam that bottoms out after a month. It's thick and contoured to support your lower back during the leg press and your shoulders during the hack squat. This basically means you can focus 100% on the muscle contraction rather than shifting around because a bar or a thin pad is digging into your spine. Finally, we have the triple lockout positions. These are the safety handles on the side. When you're training alone in a garage, safety is everything. These handles are easy to reach even when you're gassed at the end of a set, allowing you to lock the carriage at different heights. It's a simple mechanical solution that gives you total peace of mind. Design and build. Aesthetically, Body-Solid went for that classic powerhouse look. It's made of 11-gauge 2x4-inch high-tensile strength steel, which feels super premium. It's finished in a powder-coated gray that's pretty resistant to scratches, but you might want to watch out for the chrome weight horns. They'll show some scuffing over time as you slide plates on and off. The footprint is the big thing here. It's about 7 feet long. It's a big boy. You'll need a dedicated corner of your gym, but because it combines two machines into one, you're actually saving a ton of floor space compared to the alternative. Pros: insane stability. Zero wobbling even when loaded with several hundred pounds. Dual functionality. The two-in-one design is the smartest way to get a complete leg day at home. Weight capacity. 1,000 pounds is way more than most of us will ever need, making it future-proof. Safety. The locking mechanism is intuitive and rock solid. Cons. Assembly. It's a marathon. Expect to spend 4 to 6 hours putting this together. Plate loaded only. You'll need to own a lot of Olympic plates to use this. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a beginner just looking to stay active, this might be overkill. A simple squat rack is probably enough. But if you're a dedicated lifter, a garage gym enthusiast, or someone who wants to push their legs to the limit without the safety risks of a solo heavy barbell squat, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's an investment for sure, it's not cheap, but when you consider the build quality and the fact that it replaces two commercial-sized machines, the value proposition is actually incredible. It's the kind of equipment you buy once and leave to your kids in your will. It's built to last a lifetime, and it performs like it belongs in a $100 a month Gold's gym. If you have the space and the budget, your quads will thank you.